Hi everyone.
What will we do today?
Unboxing. What is that?
What do we have today?
Elephant. Two elephants. Oops. On this side. Whoa.
What's that?
First instructions. Tricky inside. And the box. Let's go to the box. Oops. And this way. Goes it this way.
Okay, so there are two
Pieces.
pieces. One is skeleton, that's bone of the elephant, mammoth.
What's that?
This one is the skin.
Oh, that. Wait. Let's go. Here's for
For the elephant. Let's read the instruction.
Oops. Nice.
So first, head, skull.
Oh no, we have to stand.
So let's find the number 7 and number 8.
Okay.
Oh, where's the number 7 and number 8? Here.
Yes, more squares.
Find the number 7 and number 8.
This one.
5,
This one.
6,
This one.
7,
And
8.
Oh, where is 7?
there is 7 and 8.
This one.
Like this.
Oh! This one's to the table.
Oh. Let's do it on number 8. Just push. Oh, that is all. Yeah.
Have
So,
to.
combine 7 and 8. Combine together.
Put together.
Put together.
Connect together.
Connect together. Like that.
Also.
Like you.
Okay.
Like this. Oh, it's hurt. It's hurt.
Push it. What's the for the weight?
Okay.
For the head.
The head of the elephant. Okay, next find number
Let's see,
6.
This one.
Oh, what is? Show the camera.
Here. Whoa.
Wait.
The head of the mammoth.
Okay. Okay, start with this. That's
Move
one.
on to body. The trunk. Here. Here. So find
11.
11. Oh, the 11. Where's the 11? Oh, you found it. Okay, that's all.
1, 1. Push it.
Get the mark.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Let's see. Wow.
Oh, Mama.
What is it? So nice. What's that? What's that?
Shoe.
Chest.
Where's the mini foot? Where? Oh no.
Come back.
Come back. Come bone.
Phone. Connect.
Oh.
Daddy will connect it.
Okay.
Number 6. You have 2 hands. The left, with the left,
What year?
there,
What year?
and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
One more. Finally, last one.
Daddy, before the other one.
Can you count for Daddy first?
Wait for Daddy to finish another one.
Count.
And I'll get another one. Daddy get the other one. Yeah, I did it.
Oh, look.
Whoa! Whoa! The back! The back! And show it here. Whoa!
Mama, look. I have finished already. I got all the numbers.
What is it?
It's an elephant.
Okay.
Now you give me that one.
Mammoth.
Mammoth. White one.
Show? Wanna show it? Here.
First number 1.
Wow! It's the white one.
The first, it's number 1.
This is the mammoth.
Okay, yeah. Let's put it in the refrigerator.
Wow! Can you show it here?
Let's put in the blackberry.
Can you show it, Alphonse?
Hey, Mama, look. Look, Mama. Mommy.
Wah! 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 Wah!
Ready na.
Ready na. Carry.
Put on the top.
Okay, put in the freezer and wait for
10 minutes.
What color is it?
That's brown.
What color is it?
That's brown.
Wow.
Brown. Yay.
wow. You like that?
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Daddy. Up, let's go. Boom. Thanks for watching. Come back for more video and please subscribe. Subscribe for more video. Subscribe. Up, let's go. Boom.